Blood in stool can have many causes, but in most cases it is not a serious problem. Let's understand this in detail. First, it is important to check if the blood is really coming from your stool. If you notice red or black spots in the toilet, don't panic. First, think about what you ate recently. Some foods can change the color of your poop, making it look red or black. For example, foods like beetroot, cranberries, tomatoes, and red colored food dyes can make your stool appear red. On the other hand, blueberries, black licorice, and certain medicines like Pepto-Bismol or cow pectate can turn your stool black. However, if you are sure that there is blood in your stool, the next step is to understand where the blood is coming from. The color of the blood can help identify the source. If the blood is bright red, it may be coming from areas near the anus or rectum. If it is dark red or maroon, it could be from small intestine or upper part of the large intestine. If the blood is black and tar-like, it may be from the stomach, esophagus, or upper digestive system. Now let's look at some common causes of blood in stool. Hemorrhoids. This is a very common problem. Hemorrhoids are swollen blood vessels inside or outside the anus. They can sometimes bleed, leading to blood in the stool. Anal fissure. Small cuts or tears in the skin around the anus can cause pain and bleeding, especially during or after passing stool. Diverticulosis and diverticulitis. Small pouches called diverticula can form in the walls of the large intestine. When they got swollen or infected, they can cause bleeding. Peptic ulcers. When stomach acid damages the protective lining of the stomach, ulcers can form. These ulcers can bleed, making the stool look more black and tar-like. Inflammatory bowel disease. Conditions like ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease can cause inflammation in the intestines, leading to blood in stool. Now let's discuss some symptoms that can occur along with blood in stool. In many cases, people don't realize they are passing blood, but sometimes the following symptoms may appear: stomach pain, weakness and dizziness, difficulty in breathing, frequent diarrhea, rapid heartbeat, nausea or vomiting, and feeling faint. So when should you see a doctor? If you notice any of these symptoms, consult a doctor immediately. Blood in stool for more than 3 weeks, severe pain in the anus, a lump or swelling in the stomach, heavy bleeding, stool becoming thinner, longer or softer for over 3 weeks, no clear reason for the bleeding such as constipation or diarrhea, fever, chills, extreme tiredness or vomiting along with blood in stool. If you or someone you know is facing these issues, it is important to get checked by a doctor. Even minor problems can turn serious if ignored, so it's always better to be careful. In our next video, we will share some home remedies to help reduce blood in stool, so don't forget to watch it. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, share and subscribe.